I wanna be in the bubbles. I wanna be in the
I
bubbles.
love bubbles. I love bubbles. I love bubbles. I really do. I love bubbles. I love bubbles. I love making bubbles with you. I love to play with bubbles. It's easy to see why. They float like they are magic, disappear into the sky. You never know how big they'll be or when they're going to pop. I love to chase them round the yard. I simply cannot stop. I love bubbles. I love bubbles. I love bubbles. I really do. I love bubbles. I love bubbles. I love making bubbles with you. My grandma gives me puzzles and books and dollies too. My grandpa takes me swimming, we go driving to the zoo. But when I'm home I zip outside as quickly as I can to make the biggest bubble ever known to modern man. I love bubbles. I love bubbles. I love bubbles.